Good evening to you. Yes, spring has certainly been in the air once again, hasn't it, today? For many of us, blue skies like here in Hastings earlier on today, but it hasn't been wall-to-wall sunshine for everyone. There has also been some areas of patchy cloud, but not really spoiling things too much. Really a decent day for Wednesday at this time of year. And the mild air does continue to move in for the next few days as well. We're continuing to pull up this warm southerly air from the south, from Africa. And so by the time we get to Friday, it is set to bring us the peak of the warmth. We could be looking at highs on Friday of up to 16 degrees Celsius. Average for this time of year is only around 8 or 9. So really not too bad at all. For the headlines of tomorrow, it is still staying on the mild side. Not quite as mild as on Friday though. I think we'll start off with a fair amount of cloud, but don't despair. Into the afternoon, I think we will see more in the way of brightness. Here's tonight then. It does stay dry, a relatively settled night to come with mainly light winds. There will be some areas of cloud but also some clear spells too. Here's the temperatures in towns and cities, lows of around 5 or 6 Celsius, possibly a touch colder than that out in the countryside, but we all stay frost free. That said, a fairly chilly start to our Thursday, and I think we will wake up to a fair amount of cloud in the skies, quite grey and murky I think to begin with, but as the day wears on we'll see that cloud readily thinning and breaking up to give some bright or sunny spells at times, and again another dry and fine day in prospect, mainly light winds coming up from the southwest. Top temperatures tomorrow just up a notch on today's. We've got highs of 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. Just something to highlight though for Friday and Saturday mornings. If you are driving or travelling, we are expecting some patches of fog, and if you do see any of this, it could be quite dense in places and slow to clear, but once it does, I think from around mid-morning, the next few days are really looking quite promising. It stays on the mild side. The peak of the warmth, as I mentioned, likely to be on Friday. Once to watch.